Good morning, student. I wish for your good health and smile. So, with your beautiful smile, we will start our fourth chapter, that is Plateau and Island. Student, in previous chapter, we have to learn more about Plateau and Island. In short, Plateau is basically a flat land which is higher than the surrounding land, while island a landmass that is surrounded by water. So student, open your book, page number 28. We will start our chapter from activities. Here is warm up. Now student, in this activity, question here is, can you identify the structure given in the picture? Here is a structure. This is. So question here, can you identify the structure given in the picture? Where can you see this? So think about this. Now we will start our chapter. Here, Southern Plateau. Students, Southern Plateau. Our southern plateau is located toward the southern part of the northern plains. Our plateau is an area which is flat in shape and is higher than the surrounding. At times, the surface of an area can be uneven and rocky. Let's learn more about the southern plateau. Now, student, very first para, we are studying about the southern plateau. So, southern plateau is located. Here is a word located and two words. So, located means placed. Two words yani for, by, to, southern part of the northern plains. Where is southern plateau? Southern plateau is located toward the southern part of northern plains. Northern plains के southern part में located है southern plateau. What is plateau? A plateau is an area which is flat in shape and is higher than the surrounding. It means like this. Okay. Now we call the plateau. Definition, a plateau is basically a flat land which is higher than the surrounding land. It is higher than the surrounding land. So in first point, sorry, in first point is one of the most important physically feature of India. Which one? Plateau. Plateau is a most important physical feature. It occupies a rather large part of India. It is stretched 1600 km from north to south. North to south. It means, student, north to south. So, it is stretched 1600 km from north to south. It covers 1400 km from east to west. So, north to south, it occupies 1600 km and again I will make the diagram. So north is the south. Here is north to south. It occupies 1600 km. Okay, and east to west. East to west, it covered 1400 km. Okay, it is broad in its northern part, tapering down as it reaches south. It broad in the northern part. northern part में ये broad है. Here it is. It is broad. And tapering down. Tapering down means कम होना. इट मीन्स इसकी चौड़ाई जो है वो टेम्परिंग डाउन हो गई, कम हो गई. तो टेम्परिंग मीन्स स्टूडेंट कॉनिकल शेप होता है. इट मीन्स जब नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ आए तो इसने अपना जो चौड़ाई थी उसको कम कर लिया. It means tempering means conical in shape. Clear to all? Now student, move on. It looks just like a triangle which has been placed upside down. It looks just like a triangle. Why it's called it? Because it is tramped down. It is broad in its northern part, tramped down as it is south. That's why it looks just like a triangle which has been placed upside down. Here, the plateau are surrounded on all sides by hills. It is surrounded by all sides by hills. They are bordered in the northwest by Aravalli Hills. So for this we make a diagram again. It's a north, south, west and east. So student, they are bordered. They plateaus. Plateaus are bordered in the northwest by Aravalli Hills. Northwest, here it means here. It bordered by Aravalli Hills. So student, in northwest by Aravalli Hills and by Raj Mahal Hills in the northeast. Here it is. The southern plateau is surrounded on the east by the Eastern Ghat and by the Western Ghat on the west. The states that are located in the southern plateau region are student in on 28 page number we are studying about plateau. Plateau, what is plateau? Plateau is basically a flat land which is higher than the surrounding land. Is plateau. In this topic we study about the southern plateau. So southern plateau stretch 1600 km from north to south and cover 1400 km from east to west, and it is tempered down as it reach south. Okay student, now move on next page. It is a page number 29. Reason are, so the state that are located in the southern plateau, रीजन आर कुछ क्षेत्र हैं, रीजन है, प्लेस हैं जो सदर्न प्लेट्यू में आते हैं. दीज आर मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, ईस्टर्न केरला एंड तेलंगाना. दीज आर द रीजन्स बिलोंगिंग्स टू द सदर्न प्लेट्यू. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट हियर. The southern plateau has two major areas, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Southern plateau divided into two parts, two major areas. First Central Highland and other is Deccan Plateau. This division is created by the Narmada River. ये division क्यों create हुआ? It's Southern Plateau divided into Central Highland and Deccan Plateau because of Narmada River and Satpura Range. Central Highlands are located toward the north and Deccan Plateau is located toward the south. Where it is Southern Plateau, where is Central Highlands? Central Highlands are located toward the north and Deccan Plateau is located toward the south. Okay. Now, the rivers flowing in the Southern Plateau are not so big and large like those flowing in the northern plains, but they flow at very high speed. Student, the rivers flowing in the southern plain are not so big and large like those flowing in the northern plains, but they flow at very high speed here. They also form waterfalls along their course. The Jog Falls in Karnataka is one such waterfall. It is also the highest waterfall in India. Which one? Jog Falls. Where it is in? It is in Karnataka. So, they also form waterfalls. Clear to all? Page number 28 and page number 29, we are studying about the plateaus. Southern Plateau, has two major areas, Central Highland and Deccan Highland, because of Narmada River and Satpura Range. Okay, now Central Highland. The Central Highland comprises the Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Malwa Plateau. So, student, here is the word comprises. It means Central Highland comprises the Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau. So, student, what is it mean? Comprises means made up of. So, Central Highland made up of Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Malwa Plateau. मालवा प्लेट्यू और छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू मिलकर बनाते हैं सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, या हम ऐसे कहें कि सेंट्रल हाईलैंड में छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू एंड मालवा प्लेट्यू आते हैं. द मालवा प्लेट्यू इज मेड अप ऑफ अ पार्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश एंड द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ राजस्थान. मालवा प्लेट्यू. सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स comprises the छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू एंड मालवा प्लेट्यू. Comprises means made up of. Malwa Plateau is made up of part of Madhya Pradesh and the southern eastern part of Rajasthan. Let's learn more about this region. This region has black soil. I am here. This region has black soil which is suitable for cultivation, for agriculture of oil seeds and cotton. Food crops such as jowar and wheat are also grown in these areas. Which areas? Madhya Pradesh and southern eastern part of Rajasthan. This region has black soil. It is suitable for oil seeds and cotton. Food crops such as jowar and wheat are also grown in these areas. Now, second point, the Chota Nagpur Plateau is full of minerals. The minerals which are abundant are coal, mica, bauxite, manganese and iron. Chota Nagpur Plateau full of minerals. It is full of minerals. So many types of minerals. So abundant means rich and ample. Here is the word abundant. It means rich, and ample. It means bhandar. छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू इज फुल ऑफ मिनरल्स. भंडार है मिनरल्स का. कोल, माइका, bauxite, manganese and iron. So many types of minerals we found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. So student, coal, everyone know coal means mica, it means arsenic glass, it means abrak. Bauxite, it is a clay-like substance from which aluminium is obtained. Bauxite, it is a clay-like substance from which aluminium is obtained. एल्युमिनियम का एक ऑब्टेंड है बॉक्साइट. ओके. मैग्नीज एंड आयरन. द मेन सेंटर. सो स्टूडेंट, वन मोर थिंग, मैंगनीज. मैंगनीज मीन्स इट इज अ केमिकल एलिमेंट विद द सिंबल ऑफ Mn. इट इज केमिकल ऑब्टेंड. ये केमिकल ऑब्टेंड है जिसका सिंबल है Mn. मैंगनीज. It is very important for human beings and everyone. Okay. So move on next page. Yes, the main centers of mining here are Zaria, Grid, Bokaro and Raniganj. These are the mining areas. Chota Nagpur Plateau is made up of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and certain areas of West Bengal. Some rivers in the central highlands such as Chambal, Son and Betwa join the Ganga in its southern course. So student, important thing is page number 28, 29, even in 30 page number, we are studying about the plateau. So what is plateau? Plateau is basically a flat land which is higher than the surrounding land. अपने surrounding land से ऊंचा होता है plateau. टेबल लैंड होता है, इसकी शेप जो है वो टेबल की तरह होती है, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट टेबल लैंड. And we also study about the southern plateau. Southern plateau has two major areas, the central highland and the Deccan plateau. Central highland are made up of Chota Nagpur plateau and Malwa plateau. Got it everyone? Okay student, now thank you so much to listening me. Bye bye.